My name's David Lear and I'm the workshop controller at Hyundai Southport. So I started my apprenticeship at Hyundai back in 2011. I moved over to Audi, spent a year and a half in the workshop there, then became the foreman at Hyundai in the workshop and just recently moved to workshop controller. I think a lot of what I try and do is make people's lives easier. If we're having a busy day, if there's something else I can do to help out. If anyone's having a hard time, I don't have a degree in psychology or anything, but I'm always down to listen. The people I work with is sort of like going to work and seeing your friends every day. You get to have a laugh. I mean, you've got to knuckle down, get the work done, but at the end of the day, we all have a good time anyway. To thrive at Frizzell's, you just need to have a good work ethic, not be afraid to get your hands dirty or be able to put in that little bit of extra time. I think it's just the environment. It's a nice place to work. I like to call it a family vibe. It feels like a family vibe. You find a good group of people at work and you just want to stay there.